बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in today's class we will solve the remaining parts of question number 3. Exercise 5.3. Question number 3 is find the square root of the following decimals by division method. Decimals are given to you and you have to find square root of these decimals. Part number 7th that is given to you is 0.002025. Let's start solution. First of all, we will put sign of square root on our number on our decimal, that is 0.002025. After this we will put the lines of square root and we will write our number in under this sign of square root, that is 0.002025. Now students, we will make the pairs. How? From right to left or from left to right? Yes, we will make pairs from left to right. From left to right, right after our decimal, we will start making pair from left to right. This is our first pair, this is our second pair, and this is our third pair. Got it? Now, the whole part is 0. The whole part is 0 means we have to write 0 as it is in the quotient. If there is any other number instead of 0, of course, then we will start finding square root. But if in whole portion we have 0, means our whole part is 0, then 0 will go as it is in the quotient portion. Now it is the turn of decimal. Decimal will also move upward. Now students, we have the pair of double 0. So for double 0, we have to select our divisor. What divisor should be there? Of course 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is nothing. The next pair will come down and the next pair is 20. Now for 20 we have to make a new divisor. Of course 0 will be added in 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So there is no need to write 0 over here. Got it? Now you have dividend 20. For 20 you have to select or choose a divisor. How will you choose your divisor? You will choose such number here so that you multiply this number with itself and product must be smaller than your dividend or that will be equal to your dividend. So that number is 4. 4 4s are 16. Subtract 20 and 16, we get 4. The next pair will come down. The next pair is 25. Now your new dividend is 425. For new dividend, you have to guess the new divisor. How we will make the new divisor? First, the 4 will be added in 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now with 8, you have to guess, you have to choose a number so that you multiply your new divisor with the same number and we will get the product 425. So that number is 5. We will put 1 5 here and 1 in the portion of quotient. 85 5s are 425. Subtract these two values, remainder is 0. Means our solution is correct and 0.045 is the answer of square root of 0.002025. Now part number 8 is 131.1025. We have to find square root of this number. So we will write this number under the sign of square root. Now students, we will make pair. First we will make pair of our fractional portion. From where? From left to right. Right after this decimal point. This is our first pair and this will be our second pair. Now we will make the pairs of our whole portion. From where we will make the pairs of whole portion? From right to left we will make the pairs of whole portion after the decimal point, just like this. Now your first pair is 1. For 1 you have to choose here our divisor. 1 1s are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so there is no need to write 0. The next pair will come down and that is 31. Now your new dividend is 31. For 31 you have to make your new divisor. 1 will be added in 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. With 2, which number should be there, so that we multiply our new divisor with the same number, and our product must be smaller or equal to our new dividend. That number is 1. If we write here 2, then we have to multiply 22 with 2, and that will be of course greater than 31. That's why we will choose here 1. We will also write 1 in the quotient portion. 21, 1s are 21. Subtract 31 and 21, we will get 10. The next pair will come down, that is 10. Before coming down this next pair, first it is the turn of decimal point. Decimal point will move upward, and then next pair 10 will come down. Now your new dividend is 1010. For 1010 you have to make your new divisor. How? 21 will be added in 1. Whatever that is multiplied with 21 will be added to make your new divisor. 21 plus 1 is 22. With 22 you have to guess, you have to choose a number. That number is 4. If you try here 5, the product will be greater than this number. If you tried here 3, the product is very much smaller than this number. We can do all of this work at one page of our paper in rough work. So we will choose here 4. 224 is multiplied with the same number 4. 224, 4s are 896. That is nearest of this dividend. Subtract these two values, we will get 114. Subtract this and this, we get 114. Now the next pair will come down, and pair is 25. Now you have the number 11,425. This is your new dividend. For this new dividend you have to make new divisor. What should be added in 224? Yes, in 224 we will add 4. In 224 we will add 4. Whatever that is multiplied with 224 is added in it. 224 will be added in 4 and we get 228. With 228 you have to try a number, and that number is 5. You have to write here 5, here 5 also. Multiply 5 with this new divisor, we will get 11,425. Remainder is 0, means our solution is correct, and this is our answer. Square root of 131.1025 is equal to 11.45. See part number 9, 508.5025. So students, same the method. First we will make pairs of our fractional portion from left to right, and then we will make the pairs of our whole portion from right to left. And then with the same method, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 0, 8 will come down. For 108 we will make new divisor. 2 plus 2, 4. With 4 we will try 2 and multiply 42 with 2. 42 2s are 84, and remainder is 24. Now it is the turn of decimal point, it will move upward. The next pair will come down, and that is 50. For 2,450 you have to make your new divisor. How? 42 will be added in 2. 42 plus 2, 44. With 44 we will try 5, and new divisor will be multiplied with the same 5, and we get 2225. Subtract these two, remainder will be 225. It's the turn of the last pair to come down, so 25 will come down. Now you have the number 22,525. For this you have to make your new divisor. How? 445 will be added in 5. Whatever that is multiplied with 445 will be added for making the new divisor. 445 will be added in 5 and we get 450. With 450 we will try 5. When we will multiply it with 5, our new divisor with 5, we will get the same result, that is our dividend. Subtract these, we will get 0. This is our answer. 22.55 is the answer of square root of 508.5025. See part number 10, 799.7584. We will write our number under the signs of square root, then we will make the pairs. From where we will make the pair? After the decimal, we will make the pair of our fractional part from left to right. Similarly, with the whole part, what will happen? We will make pairs from right to left. The first pair is 7. For 7 you have to make your new divisor, your first divisor. 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 29 will come down. For this dividend you have to make your new divisor. How? 2 will be added in 2. 2 plus 2, 4. With 4 we will try 8 and we will multiply 48 with 8 and we will get 384. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. Now it's the turn of decimal point. It will go in the quotient portion and 75 will come down. This is your new dividend now. For this dividend you have to make your new divisor. How? 48 will be added in 8. Since we multiply 48 with 8, that's why 48 will be added in same 8 and we will get 5, 6, 2. 560, sorry, 48 plus 8, 56. With 56 you will try a number and that number is 2. 562 will be multiplied with 2 and we will get 1124. Subtract these two values, we will get 451 and 84 will come down. For this dividend you have to make your new divisor. How? 562 is multiplied with 2, that's why that same number 2 will be added in 562 and we will get 564. 564, with this number you have to try 8 and multiply this complete number 5648 with 8 and we will get our required result, that is this number. Subtract this, remainder is 0, means our solution is correct. So what is your answer? 28.28 is the answer of square root of this number. Now students, see part number 11. 1082.41. We write this number under the sign of square root. Then we make pair. First we make pair of fractional part. Right after decimal portion we will make the pairs. This is only pair after decimal. Before decimal point we will make pairs from right to left. These are the two pairs. In first pair we have 10. So we will write here which divisor? 3 3s are 9. We can't write here any other number because we have to multiply with the same number. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 82 will come down. Then 3 will be added in 3. 3 plus 3, 6. With 6 we will try 2. 62. 2s are, we have 124. Subtract these two values, we will get 58. Now it is a turn of decimal. Decimal will move towards the quotient portion and 41 will come down. Now you have the number 5841 or you can say 5840. For this dividend you have to make your new divisor. 62 will be added with 2. 62 plus 2, 64 and we have to try it with 9. 649, 9s are 5841. Subtract these values, we get 0 and 32.9 is our answer. See the last part, 4596.84 and we have to find its square root. So simple, the same method, because we first make the pairs of our decimal portion from left to right and similarly with the whole portion from right to left. 6 6 are 36, subtract 45 and 36 we get 9. 96 will come down. 6 plus 6, 12. We will try 7 with 12. 127. 7s are 889. Subtract these two values, we get 107. Now it's the turn of decimal point. It will move upward and 84 will come down. Now 120, for this dividend we have to make new divisor. How? 127 will be added in 7. 127 plus 7 is 134. With 134 students we will try 8. 1348. 8s are 107,084. 10,784. 10,784. Subtract these values. Our remainder is 0, so 67.8 is our answer. In homework, you have to solve all the today's part of your classwork from part 7 to part number 12. Send your clear images till 9 p.m. Jazakallah.